In the spectrophotometric lab, we're going to be using one type of chemical, copper sulfate pentahydrate. We're going to be using, this is our largest pipette we've used so far, a 25 milliliter pipette. So we need our pipette bulb. We have 3 different volumetric flasks. They all are 50 mils. And that, it says on the side, if you're never sure, it says on the side. We have cuvettes, and these cuvettes are what's going to be going in our SpectroVis Plus. It's a spectrophotometer, and it's going to be recording the information onto this laptop. We're going to be using the Chem wipes to clean our cuvettes of any fingerprints. And this is our weigh boat and our scoopula. Tearing the weigh boat. And I want about 1.2 grams. Let me see how much that is at first. So not quite that much, but a little bit more. Okay, I'm almost there. I don't want to get it on the scale. I'll go ahead and bring it out. I just kind of cut out some of this. There we go. Somewhere between 1.1 and 1.2. I'm going to put the copper. Okay, so I could put a funnel in here and pour this in and kind of use water to get it to dissolve down. But if you're careful, you can also kind of get this a little bit wet, kind of like that. Kind of mix it up a little bit. And then you can pour it in kind of carefully. Kind of see it going in. You want to be just careful with this that you don't lose any of it. A little bit of water just to rinse that bit out. Trying to get everything off all the edges. See it, tiniest bit right there. So right now, like all volumetric glassware, there's a line on this thing. It's right here. This is what I need to get the water up to, and I need to make sure that this goes down. This is a place where if I want to use this, I could. And I could use this, but you have to be careful because what happens is that you can end up overfilling past that line. So I'm just gonna do it like this. So this is where I'm going to be a little bit more careful. What I'm going to do, I'm seeing there's some water there too, so I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and I'm going to shake it up in a way. I'm not going to be super crazy with it, but it will all dissolve. I wasn't gonna go get crazy, and now I'm going on crazy on it because I still got some pieces. I still got some pieces that aren't dissolved. Would you believe I still got like 2 pieces? That last bit of mixing.